after a very long time, means 2 or 3 days after, I will again making another video after in demand of my students. My topic is the Rolle'S theorem. They are asking for the Rolle'S theorem, for the concept of the Rolle'S theorem. So I will try to explain the Rolle'S theorem. What is Rolle'S theorem and mean Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay. Now let us start Rolle'S theorem. In a Rolle'S theorem, the statement is that let us f be a function. F be a function. F says that it is a function. A be a function of a real number. Okay, F be a function. There are 3 conditions. First, it will be the f is continuous in closed interval AB, means in a closed interval between A and B, it is a continuous. Okay. The second condition is that f is differentiable in open interval AB. Interval means except the extreme point of this closed interval A and B, they are the differentiable in each and every points in AB. And there is a third condition. Third condition is that if FA is equal to FB, if FA is equal to FB, then there are some points C such that there are some points C such that then there are some point C such that some point, it is not necessary some points, it may be at least, according to this statement, there must be at least one point C such that f dash C is equal to 0. F dash C is equal to 0. And this is the Rolle'S theorem. Actually, what is the meaning of the Rolle'S theorem? Now try to understand. Suppose that there is a function. There is a function. Which type of function you have? Suppose we have this type of function. Okay. Now, suppose there is a function in this type of function. And let us suppose there is another function in this type of function. For example, in this way. Okay. There are 3 types of functions. Okay. Now look here. There is a point. There is point A and there is point B. This is A and this is B. And there is also, this is A and there is B. Look here. If it is A, so this is the value of FA, and if it is B, this is the value of FB. You can see here FA is equal to FB. Similarly, in this function, look here, this is FA and there is FB. You can also see here FA is equal to FB. In this case also, there is a point A and there is B. So you can see there FA is equal to FB is equal to 0. FA is equal to FB is equal to 0, but they are equal. And since it is a curve, okay, parabola, so it must be continuous between the closed interval AB, and it is a differentiable except this 2 points. This is differentiable. and you can see here FA is equal to FA. So all the given conditions are follows in the given curves. Okay. Now it is given f dash c is equal to 0. So what do you mean by f dash c is equal to 0? Look here. Between this A and B, there must be at least one point C such that f dash c, what give us f dash c? F dash c give us tangent. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे किसी भी पॉइंट पे सपोज किसी कर्व के किसी पॉइंट पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है, तो हम उसको क्या निकालेंगे, एफ डैश एक्स निकालते हैं। एफ डैश एक्स मतलब dy by dx, दैट इज स्लोप, और इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, यहाँ पे दिस इज कॉल्ड टेंजेंट। किसी भी टेंजेंट को निकालते हैं एफ डैश एक्स। So there must be a point. Suppose there is a point C. If we draw f dash c, देखो मैंने आपको बताया अभी, just I tell you, f dash x is equal to dy by dx, and dy by dx means what? Slope, and you know that the slope is equal to tan theta. You know that tan theta, and tan theta, this is the tangent, this is the tangent, this is slope tan theta. Then what is the slope of this line? This line is parallel. This line is parallel to x-axis. When parallel to x-axis, that means tan theta or m. So theta is equal to 0 degree, and you know that tan 0 degree is equal to 0. That's why we get f dash c is equal to c. नहीं समझ में, फिर से समझो। tan theta क्या बोलता जाता है? tan theta अगर हम निकालते हैं dy by dx, dy by dx means what? Slope of any line. किसी भी लाइन का एक स्लोप होता है। स्लोप कैसे बनता है? It means angle with x axis. तो हमने बोला कि इफ एफ ए इज इक्वल टू एफ बी, यानी कि कर्व को आप देखो सिमेट्रिकल, एफ ए इज इक्वल टू एफ बी इस तरह से घुमा हुआ है, ठीक है, दिस इन पॉइंट एफ ए एंड दिस इज एट एफ बी। इफ एफ ए इज इक्वल टू एफ बी, तो कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा पॉइंट जरूर होगा बिटवीन दिस टू पॉइंट्स क्लोज इंटरवल ए एंड बी, वेयर इफ वी ड्रॉ द tangents, this tangent must be the parallel to x axis. And if it must be parallel to x-axis, so it gives us dy by dx means slope and or tan theta, anything कुछ भी आप बोलो, they all give us 0. वो हमें क्यों 0 देगा? Then f dash x is equal to dy by dx, and that is equal to 0. So this point is considered as a c. So you can write it f dash c is equal to 0. Similarly, in this case also, there is a point C, where we draw a tangent, and this tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So you can write it the f dash x, and where x is equal to c, f dash c is equal to 0. Look here, there are two, more than two. Suppose that there is a point and there is another point where we draw the tangent. These tangents are parallel. To x-axis. Let us suppose this is point C1 and this is point C2. So there is one point f dash c is equal to 0, and this is C1, and C2 is equal to 0. It means it is not necessary only there is one point between given interval a and b. Okay, given interval a and b, it is not necessary there is only one point. It may be more than one point. So that's why we have written here, if f is a continuous in a closed interval ab, f is differentiable in an open interval ab, and if fa is equal to fb, then there are some points. I have written here some point, or you can also write at least one point. both given same mean, such that f dash c is equal to 0. This is c where means you मोटे तौर पे आप ये समझ लो कि c is a point where we draw the tangent at the given curve. It must be the parallel to the x-axis. Is it clear? Now, if it is clear, then pause it and clean. Pause and write it. Okay. So now, may I clean it? Let us try to understand the given Rolle'S theorem by taking an example. Let us take an example that is f is equal to x square. F, let us take a function y is equal to x square plus 2. Y is equal to x square plus 2, and your domain is given minus 2 and 2. Look here, you can see that y is equal to x square 2, that is the polynomial. This is the polynomial. So polynomial, we know that the polynomial must be continuous in the polynomial is continuous and differentiable. Continuous and differentiable. So it satisfied the first two conditions, means continuous in closed interval minus 2 and 2. Second, it is differentiable between open interval minus 2 and 2. Okay, minus 2 and 2. Now check it. F minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square plus 2, and that is equal to 6. And f2 is equal to 2 square plus 2, and this is also 6. So what happened? We can see here f minus 2 is equal to f2. So it satisfied these conditions also. F is equal to fb. So there must be a point between these two, between these intervals minus 2 and 2, which give us f dash c is equal to 0. So first differentiate the given function. This is f dash x, or you can say that dy by dx, both are same things. This is equal to 2x. Now this is equal to 2x. So according to this, let us suppose there is point C where f dash c is equal to 0. So f dash c is equal to 0 means 2c is equal to 0. So that is equal to 0. So you can write here 2x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 0. The value of c is equal to 0. And you can check it. 0 must be lies between minus 2 and 2. On a number line, this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, this is 1 and this is 2. So between these two, your 0 is lies. 0 is lies. So if we draw the given curve, the shape of the curve in this way, look at as a curve, that is 2, and this यहाँ पे ये strength 2 होगा, and this is look here 0, minus 2, 2. Here you can see that f minus 2 and this is f2. You can see that both are equal, and there is a point f dash 0 where we get the tangent at the given curve that is parallel to the x-axis. Given curve that is parallel to x-axis, and this is it give us f dash c is equal to 0. I think आपको रोलेस थ्योरम समझ में आ गया। इस क्वेश्चंस को करने के लिए इसमें बुक में जो क्वेश्चन देते हैं, बोर्ड में क्या देते हैं, सिंपल आपको कोई फंक्शन दिया रहता है, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स फंक्शन जो होते हैं वो आपके पॉलिनोमियल्स होते हैं। तो जैसे ही पॉलिनोमियल्स आप देखोगे आप बोल सकोगे सिंस इट इज ए पॉलिनोमियल सो इट मस्ट बी डिफरेंशिएबल एंड कंटीन्यूअस ऑफ द गिवन डोमेन्स। सिंपल क्वेश्चन की बात है। एंड नाउ डिफरेंशिएट वन टाइम, ठीक है ना, और उसको 0 से इक्वेट करेंगे। नाउ फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, जहाँ पे जो भी इसके 0 टाइप से निकलेंगे और उस वैल्यू को आप इसमें रखोगे। यू विल चेक दैट दिस गिवन पॉइंट इज लाइज बिटवीन दिस टू और नॉट। और आप बोलोगे कि यार उसके पहले आप एक बार f a = f b इन दोनों एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट्स को रख के देखोगे, इफ बोथ आर इक्वल तो यू कैन राइट इट कि all three conditions are satisfied, so we are able to apply Rolle'S theorem on the given curve. Now solve and find the value of c. This is your solution. And sometimes you have to make some practice of some different type of functions also, और उसमें थोड़ा टफ होते हैं एक आध दो, उनको प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे तो you will get the. Now Lagrange's mean value. What is the Lagrange's mean value? This is nothing. It is only the extension. This is extension of. This is the extension of Rolle'S theorem. Mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. It is nothing. It is only the extension of Rolle'S theorem. This is the extension of the Rolle'S theorem. Okay. Look here. What do you mean by extension of the theorem? The statement is same. First, the given function is continuous between a and b in a closed interval a and b. It is continuous. Second, closed interval a and b. Second, it is continuous. It is a continuous in open interval a and b. And look, if fa is equal to fb, if fa is equal to fb, then all the conditions are applicable just like a Rolle'S theorem. But this is not a Rolle'S theorem, this is mean value theorem. तो कुछ ना कुछ तो different होना चाहिए. So what is the difference? The third difference is fa is not equal to fb. Okay, fa is equal to not equal to fb. उस केस में हम mean value theorem को अप्लाई करेंगे. Now one thing, but ये given नहीं रहता, सिर्फ क्वेश्चन में apply verify the mean value theorem. So now check it. It is given function is continuous, or it is a continuous and it is differentiable. Sorry, this is differentiable and seeable in an open interval. Okay. Then there must be a point. There must be a point C such that f dash c is equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. Then there must be a point C such that f dash c is equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. In the first case, it is if f a is equal to fb, then in a Rolle'S theorem we get f dash c is equal to 0. But in this case, since fa is not equal to fb, then we have to write here fb minus fa is equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. Okay. Now first mathematically prove the given things, and now next I will explain what is the geometrical meaning of this mean value theorem. Just like Rolle'S theorem, I have given the meaning, and similarly we will tell what is the geometrical meaning. Then first it's mathematically proof. First it's mathematical proof. Look here. It is suppose that there is a function. There is a function such that fx is equal to ax plus fx. There is a function fx, ax is equal to fx. Let us suppose this is the equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now one thing more. We take a such that, we choose a such that, right here, we choose capital A, this is the constant term, such that fa is equal to fb. Suppose there is the intervals a and b, that is fa is equal to ab. Then put here fa is equal to aa plus fa, this is equation number 2, and fb, that is equal to ab plus fb. According to this, you can write it aa plus is equal to fa, and that is equal to ab plus fb. Now a minus ab, that is equal to fb minus fa. Now you can take a as a common, so we get a minus b, that is fb minus fa, and a is equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. And if we take minus 1 common, because there is a minus b, so I take it a minus b. Okay, this is the formula. A is equal to fb minus fa and b minus a. Now the third condition, it is given, it is differentiable. It is differentiable. It is differentiable at every point. So first differentiate at equation number 1. Then what we get right here, differentiate equation number 1, f dash x is equal to a plus f dash x. F dash x. Okay, look here. Since we see here a is b continuous between this closed interval. It is differentiable in open interval ab. Okay, and we take the such value. It is not given. We take such value according to this question. fa is equal to fb. So if leave this statement, अगर हम इसको छोड़ देते हैं, ये तो मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट है, लेकिन इस पर्टिकुलर केस में हमने अगर देखा तो दिस इज ए कंटिन्यूअस, दिस इज डिफरेंशिएबल, एंड it is also given fa is equal to fb. So we can apply the Rolle'S theorem in the given particular case. So if we apply the Rolle'S theorem in a particular case, then we get f dash x after differentiate, f dash x is equal to a. So we can apply, there is a point f dash x is equal to 0, and there is a point C in such a way that this is equal. So please put here the particular point C is equal to 0 when, पहले तो आप ऐसे लिखोगे a plus f dash c. Since f dash c is equal to 0, so we will get a plus f dash c is equal to 0. Then we get f dash c is equal to minus a. And if we put here f dash c is equal to minus a, तो यहाँ पे हम इस चीज को रखेंगे यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे रखेंगे माइनस, इधर लगाएंगे तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा. देन वी गेट f dash c is equal to माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन वी गेट fb minus fa by b minus a. This is the proof of this mean value theorem. Okay, आप इसको लिख सकते हैं. देखो मैंने यहाँ पे रखा था a is equal to minus fb minus fa by b minus a, और यहाँ f dash c is equal to 0 रखा तो f dash c is equal to minus a है. Now multiply minus in both side, तो ये जो रहेगा वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, यहाँ माइनस हो जाएगा. एंड माइनस a is equal to f dash c, so put here f dash c as we गिफ्ट है. अब ये सब चीजें जो भी हो गई अलग से हो गई, हमें उससे ये तो मैथमेटिकल प्रूफ हो गया. बट व्हाट इज द ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग, व्हाट इज द ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग ऑफ दिस मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम, दिस मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम. सो पहले पॉज करके इसको लिख लो और आफ्टर दिस आई विल एक्सप्लेन द ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग. ओके, what is the geometrical meaning? Look here. The question is that आखिर इसका geometrical meaning होता है. Suppose करो the curve is in such a way, ऐसे जैसे आजकल कोरोना का ग्राफ निकला ऐसे, या फिर ऐसे ग्राफ, ऐसा कुछ ग्राफ. तो in this case you can see that this is point A and this is point B. Look here, the value is FA and this value is F. Okay, then what is the coordinate of this point? The coordinate of this point is A FA, and the coordinate of this point, इसको अच्छे से लिख देता हूँ मैं, A FA, and the coordinate of this point is B FB. Okay, so at this point we can draw a secant of this curve, secant of this curve. Now again check, this curve is continuous between close interval AB, except these 2 points. It is differentiable also, so differentiable between AB, open interval AB, and third case is, what is third case? Third case is FA is not equal to FB. Look, you can see that is FA and this is FB. Both are not equal. So if we draw a secant between these two, so the slope of this secant, look here, how can you find the slope of this secant? At any point between these 2 points A and B, at curve of this point, we draw a tangent. We draw a tangent in such a manner, this tangent must be parallel to this secant. This tangent must be parallel to this secant, and you know that these are two parallel lines, so it's and since these two are two parallel lines, so both have the same slope. Both have the same slope. Okay, so if we find the slope of this secant, you know that slope means m means tan theta, and tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and this is what fb minus fa by b minus a, fb minus fa by b minus a, and this is the value of f dash c, where we get fb minus fa by b minus a. Similarly, in this curve there is also 2 points. Suppose there is a and there is b, so the coordinate of this point is a fa, and this is b fb, and if we draw the secant, so there is a point where we draw the tangents each and every point. The point C, particular point C, where we draw the tangent, this tangent must be parallel to this secant. So what is the value? Tan theta or slope, ठीक है, that is equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. तो इसमें ये समझ में आ गया कि सीकेंट अगर मोटे तौर पे पूछा जाए कि मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम किस चीज को बोलता है, तो देखो रॉलेस थ्योरम और मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम दोनों कर्व पे जो ड्रॉ किए गए टेंजेंट्स के बारे में बात करता है। रॉलेस थ्योरम में हम एक ऐसा टेंजेंट निकालेंगे, वहां पे पॉइंट सी बोलेंगे जहां पे वो टेंजेंट एक्स एक्सिस के पैरेलल होगा, इसलिए हम बोलते हैं कि एफ डैश सी इज इक्वल टू 0। बट मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम में हम टेंजेंट जो भी निकालेंगे वो ऐसा निकालेंगे जो सीकेंट के पैरेलल हो। इस वजह से मुझे जो केस मिलता है fb माइनस fa इज इक्वल टू fb माइनस fa इज इक्वल टू fb माइनस fa बाई b माइनस a, दैट इज इक्वल टू f डैश c। ओके, अब सवाल ये उठता है कि क्या एक ही पॉइंट ऐसा मिलेगा बिटवीन द गिवन डोमेन्स जहां पे f डैश c इज इक्वल टू fb माइनस fa बाई b माइनस होगा? नो, fb माइनस fa इज इक्वल टू b माइनस a होगा। ठीक है, so for this check it। अगर कर्व इस तरह का, सपोज करो कि ये कर्व ऐसे है, ठीक है, अगर ऐसा कर्व मिले मुझे, ध्यान से देखिएगा, कर्व जो है वो इस तरह का, ठीक है। सपोज करो कि यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट ए हो जाता है, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे पॉइंट बी। अगर हम इसको दोनों को, यहाँ पे पॉइंट बी है ऐसे, ठीक है, बी, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो पॉइंट होगा वो ए होगा, एंड दिस इज एफ ए, और यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो पॉइंट है दिस इज बी, एंड दैट इज एफ बी। ठीक है, तो आप देख सकते हो कि इस पे एक हम ऐसे सी ले सकते हैं जो कि पैरेलल होगा इस लाइन के, और यहाँ भी एक सी ले सकते हैं जो कि पैरेलल होगा। सो देयर इज वन पॉइंट C1 एंड देयर इज वन अनदर पॉइंट C2। तो हमें एटलीस्ट, अब यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ एटलीस्ट नहीं बोलेंगे, देयर आर सम पॉइंट्स C such that C is equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. FB F that C is equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. देखो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो इस पॉइंट के लिए F dash C1 that is equal to FB minus FA by B minus A, and there is another point F dash C2 is equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. यहाँ पे दो ऐसे पॉइंट्स होंगे, ठीक है। अब इसी थ्योरम को अगर हम समझना चाहते हैं तो एक एग्जांपल लेके चेक करते हैं। It is one example. What is the example? The example is that let us suppose that there is a function, ठीक है, there is a function, the function is x square. Suppose there is a function x fx is equal to x square, ठीक है। x square अगर हम चेक करते हैं x square and between कर्व आप ये ले लेते हो -2 और 4 ले लेते हैं, चलो -2 और 4 ले लिया हमने, और इनके बीच में हमको चेक करना है, ठीक है। तो since this is a polynomials, so it must be continuous. Second, it must be differentiable, and you check it. F minus 2 is equal to 2 square, and that is equal to 4, and 4 is equal to 4 square, and that is 16. So you can see here f minus 2 is not equal to f4. So all the conditions are applicable as a mean value theorem. तो ठीक है, अब इसमें हम चेक करते हैं फर्स्ट f dash x is equal to, this is equal to 2x, यहाँ पे 2x हो, इसको छोड़ देते हैं। अब इसको देखते हैं हमको क्या मिलता है, f b minus f a by b minus a, this is f dash c. अब हम देखते हैं f b, what is this, 16 minus 4 by 4, and ये क्या हो गया, माइनस है and plus 2, so this is equal to 12 by 6, 12 by 6 that is equal to 2, यानी कि f dash c is equal to 2। अब यहाँ पे हम इसमें पुट करते हैं f dash as equal to 2, यहाँ पे हमने f dash यहाँ पे वैल्यू निकाला तो मुझे क्या मिला, 2 मिला। तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 इज इक्वल टू 2x, देन x इज इक्वल टू 1। और नाउ यू कैन चेक इट, -2 और 4 के बीच में 1 मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता है, यस, पर्टिकुलरली -2 और 4 के बीच में 1 मिलेगा। सो इन दिस वे वी कम टू नो द ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग ऑफ द मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम, theoretical proof of the mean value theorem, and Rolle'S theorem, and how can you solve the questions of the Rolle'S theorem. And if you practice 2 or 3 types of question that is coming the last 2 or 3 years examination, you will complete 4 marks about this. So thank you very much. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप मेरे को कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं, और इसी तरह से अगर इस वीडियो में कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स हो, कुछ और चाहते हो तो मैं कर सकता हूँ। मैं अपने स्कूल के अनुसार, अपने बच्चों के अनुसार मैं वीडियो बनाना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है, जो कि इस लोकेलिटी के लोग समझ पाते हैं, इसलिए मैं बायलिंगुअल थोड़ा यूज़ करता हूँ। वैसे कोशिश करता हूँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंग्लिश हो, बट thank you very much.